Hello, and today I'm going to show you my Michaels haul. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. The first 7 things are in a package for $14.99. Okay, first off, comes like this. It's like a knife kind of thing. And then this thing is next. On one side it's like kind of open, and the other side it's blocked. So I'm going to put this at the other side, and you take the thing off, and it's like a big thing, so it's easier for you to like cut it instead of holding this small thing and cutting it. So yeah, those two. And then this pointy thing. And then this smooth thing. And then, this pointy thing. This circle thing. And then this thing. This is for this, where you poke the end in, and it holds odd tools. 6 things, but it does not hold this. So I have to keep that by itself. Okay, I have that for 16. I bought clay. So here is, I have to bring this up, I can't see. Yellow. For $1.27, I think. And then purple for $1.27. And clay and the tools I just showed you are not for trade, I'm sorry. I got ice cream eraser, see? Ice cream, this is ice cream. Ice cream, and then, let's see. Doesn't say eraser, but it's an eraser. Araco. And then I have says page number 3 right there, but it's like a biscuit kind of thing for mold, these two, off of mold. And then I got 2 of these little packages for trade. Looks like that. This is the inside. Yeah. So I got 2 of those, for 9 cents. They were on clearance, so I don't know if they're still on. And these are to hold my trade offers thing in. And then everybody would love this. This is for trade. It's 70 sheets. It's Hello Kitty. It says Hello Kitty up here. And then some pictures of her things. And then this goes. Then I got the other thing, but I got this instead. It's like little sheets. Yeah. Well, that's my haul, Michaels haul for today. So thank you for watching. Bye.